The ministry called Chi Alpha. And we're grateful that God is raising up people who feel a call of God to go on to perhaps the greatest mission field here in the United States, and that's universities and campuses. And I get it. Along the spectrum in ministry lines, there are times when there are hiccups, there are times when there are shortcomings, there are times when there are failures. But the failure of some individuals never trumps the strength and the purpose and the vitality of the particular ministry.